Hello, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. China is desperately trying to take India's neighbors on its side. Through financial assistance and other ways of equipping military, China is influencing those who have long been India's friend. And Nepal also comes in this particular category. And that precisely is the reason why Nepal has been silent and taken a neutral stand on the Doklam issue. The past decade has not been particularly good for India-Nepal diplomacy. The two countries, despite sharing a strong cultural heritage, have disagreed over several issues, and China has taken good advantage of this growing discomfort between the two neighbors. The latest two instances which reflected a discord between India and Nepal were the internet access and the rights of Madhesi people. The two countries could not come on the same page with regard to these two issues, and China struck when the iron was hot. China has provided broadband internet in Nepal now, discarding India's monopoly completely. In fact, the Chinese Vice Premier Wang Yang is due to visit the country around August 14 to discuss various developmental projects. Over the question of Madhesis, when there was a huge blockade along India-Nepal border leading to serious fuel crisis in the Himalayan country, China assured assistance and supplies, while India stayed behind. Much against the wishes of India, Nepal is a partner in China's One Belt, One Road initiative. Nepal in fact sees it as an opportunity to reduce its dependence on Indian routes for trade. Earlier this year, when Nepal Investment Summit 2017 was held in Kathmandu, India committed $317 million to its northern neighbor, while China proposed to invest $8.3 billion. Well, China's smart game is actually snatching India's old friends, and India needs to look out for this. That's all for now. For more news and updates and interesting stories, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.